Thomas and Friends, Gallant Old Engine, 2001 VHS. Here's the front, the spine, the other spine, the top, and the back. The episodes are Henry and the Elephant, You Can't Win, Special Edition, Pageants and Polish, Gallant Old Engine, and Fish. The sound at the end is, he's a really useful engine. FBI warning. Anchor Bay Entertainment. Brit Outcrop presents Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends. Based on the Whirly series by E.T. White. Written by Brit Outcrop. Gallant Old Engine. Told by George Collin. Written by David Huntsman. Henry and the Elephant.